On the screen is a look at the latest rainfall outlook provided by the Bureau of Meteorology. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and the national weather scene has quieted down considerably. Not much going on, although some warnings remain in place in Tasmania. This is Force 13's AU channel. And the background footage was Melbourne CBD a couple of days ago. And here's a look at the latest GFS wind probability outlook. Information at bottom of the screen, left hand side, and this information is extracted from the BSCH website. This is out to about 1300 hours Friday. Bureau of Meteorology down in Victoria, strong wind warning for the west and central coast, and they've cancelled the one for the east Gippsland coast. And again, the activities down there in Tasmania, strong wind warning the lower southeast coast. And a flood watch. Isolated minor flooding may develop during Thursday and into Friday in the Derwent River catchment. A series of fronts will cross the state in coming days, bringing showers to the west and north of the state. Once again, it's Tasmanians, especially on the west coast. And coming up is a look at the Himmel 8 satellite imagery of Australia and the western and eastern regions. And look at the weather out there in the South Indian Ocean. So more cold fronts to impact the southern states. I think there's been more activity this winter period compared to 12 months ago. And you can also see that low pressure system, I think it's the Tasman Sea, North Island of New Zealand. Now we have a look at the GFS, accumulated precipitation model outlook. Information at the bottom of the screen. Force 13's main channel will most likely be going live around possibly 10 AM Australian Eastern Time, covering the weather scene up there in the United Kingdom. Now, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is reporting a tropical depression heading towards Japan. Here's their first track chart. The Japanese Meteorological Agency doesn't have it as a tropical depression at this point in time. That's also been covered on the main channel.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page, youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name, Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.